Hello, welcome to WordPress in 5 minutes. In this video, I will show you how to create a multi-language website. For example, this website will be translated to Chinese and it will show the Chinese as a second language of this website. Do you interested in it? Let's start our lesson. First, go to Plugin. Click Add New. Here, search TranslatePress. And this is the plugin we want today. Click Install and Active. Now, go to Setting and you will see TranslatePress is showing in here. Click on it. So you will see the setting of this plugin. First, choose what language you want to translate. For example, I would like to translate Chinese, so I choose Chinese and click Add. Be aware you only can add 2 languages for your website with this plugin. If you want to add more than 2 languages, you need to purchase the permit version of this plugin. So it will show that you need to have extra permit support. So we just ignore it. And we just scroll down. For the native language name, it is yes for me. I want to display the language in their native name. You can also edit the language structure in here, which you want to have their full language name or short form of the language name. I just default of the setting about the language structure. And after that, click Save Change. Go back to your website. You will now see the Translate page button here. Click on it. Choose the language you want to translate here. As I choose Chinese for my second language in the previous setting, it will show Chinese here. For View As, click Log Out. Next, you can see there is a pen next to the words. Click on it and you can start to translate here. For example, I try to translate several words to Chinese here. I just click the pen next to the word and start to translate. Remember to save translate after you translate to the second language, and you will see that it will translate to Chinese now. And you can also use the shortcut to make it more convenient to translate. And I will translate one more. So you see that the translate is sorted in here. Now we just exit the translate page. And you will see those words will translate to Chinese in the second language. If I want to change back to the English, I just click English. And you will see that it will show English in here, the original one. And I try to click the Chinese again. And it will translate to the Chinese I just typed in. Easy, right? Hope you enjoyed this video. Just comment about what you think. See you next time. Bye bye.